Thank you for purchasing your ThirdEye Alpha1 Dev Kit. When you open your Alpha1 box, you will find the protective carry case. You can open this carry case using the zippers on the side of the case. In the protective carry case, you will find your Alpha1 MR glasses, a portable battery bank, an optional head strap to be worn with your Alpha1, and a USB charging cable for charging and data communication. Charging the Alpha1. Alpha1 can be charged using the USB-C port located on the right side arm of the headset. Simply insert a USB-C charging cable and press for the click to occur. The device can be charged while in use or can be left on the desk to charge. The provided battery pack can be used to extend the runtime of the headset while you are using applications. Charging indicator. A charging indication is located on the front of the glasses above the nose area. This indicator will flash white when the headset is first turned on. The indicator will display red when the headset is charging and display green when the device is fully charged. Wearing your Alpha1 glasses. The Alpha1 headset has a foldable arm design that allows you to compactly store the headset. The headset will arrive folded in a protective carry case. Simply open the arms on the device one at a time, like you would a pair of sunglasses. Once the glasses arms are open, the headset can be put on like a pair of sunglasses. The headset arms expand further than the front display, so the arms will adjust accordingly. Head strap installation and nose piece adjustment. If you desire to customize the fitment of the Alpha1 glasses, you can use the provided head strap and nose piece to customize to your needs. The nose piece can be adjusted by bending the metal structure on the nose bridge. The head strap can be installed at the tip of the ear stem. The rubber ring of the head strap is installed at the ear stem tip and secured using a metal spring present on the strap. Powering on Alpha1. The Alpha1 is powered on using the power button on the left side of the device. When the device is off, pressing the power button for 5 seconds will power the glasses on. Alternatively, the Alpha1 headset will power on when provided with a sufficient charging source. Powering off the Alpha1 headset. When the headset is powered on, the power button can be used to power off the glasses. Simply press the power button for 5 seconds until the powering down screen and sound are played. Note: prescription inserts will become available soon. We will notify you when they become available. The Launcher app. When powering on your Alpha1 headset, the first application you will experience is the built-in Launcher application. The Launcher will be your home base during your time using the Alpha1 headset. It will allow you to launch other applications that have been installed on your Alpha1 headset. This list of applications will automatically expand when new applications are added. Using the head motion cursor. The Launcher application tracks the user's head movement and position within the environment while the headset is being used. You will see an orange cursor which is fixed in front of your vision. As you turn your head, the orange cursor will move around the virtual environment. Try moving your head up, down, right, and left. You will see the cursor move in these directions. Selecting the apps. A list of available apps will be displayed in front of you when first powering on the Alpha1 headset. Using the head motion cursor, you can open these applications. Simply bring the cursor to the application icon and the selection circle will begin to close. Once the selection circle has closed, the application will open. Additional controls. Bluetooth devices can be paired with the Alpha1 headset and provide controls for the glasses. Future updates will bring additional features to the Alpha1 platform. Control methods such as voice commands and gesture control. Alpha1 will be receiving companion app functionality through the use of the RealEye application on mobile devices. The HoloEye app overview. HoloEye is the world's most advanced regenerative healthcare and mental health platform. Interacting with friends. HoloEye allows you to connect with your friends and have interactions with their holograms. You can load your friends' holograms and command them to dance, sing, and walk. Hear them respond to custom-tailored questions and answers and have them emote their avatar. Call your friends and communicate with them using their avatars.
My favorite cuisine is Mexican cuisine because it has many flavors.
HoloEye on Alpha1 allows you to interact with celebrity avatars. These HoloEye avatars are a virtual representation of their celebrity likeness. These interactions can be experienced when the avatar speaks using their celebrity voice or comes to life with fun and interesting animations. Choosing a celebrity. When you first start your HoloEye app, you are greeted by the HoloEye logo and brought to the virtual world display. You will see a number of icons in front of you. You will first want to select an avatar to begin using the app. The celebrity icons are visible at the user's feet. You can select from a select list of celebrity avatars. To select, bring the orange head motion cursor to the celebrity image and wait for the selection to occur. Pre-recorded questions. Every celebrity has a set of unique questions and answers. The questions can be found to the right of the celebrity avatar. These questions can be selected using the head motion cursor. Once a question is selected, the celebrity avatar will respond using the celebrity's voice. Progress of the response can be tracked using the green progress indicator. Celebrity animations. Every celebrity has a set of interaction animations. These animations can be found below the celebrity avatar's feet. These include dancing, singing, sitting, walking, and texting. Zooming and rotating. Each celebrity avatar can be resized using 3 buttons found on the left side of the avatar. The buttons are the zoom in, the zoom out, and 360-degree rotate buttons. The zoom in button will increase the celebrity avatar's size by 25%. The zoom out button will decrease the celebrity avatar's size by 25%. The 360-degree rotate button will rotate the avatar by 45 degrees when pressed. Screen mirroring overview. The Alpha1 developer screen contents can be mirrored to a computer in order to view the screen or control the Alpha1. There are a number of options available for doing so. To highlight 2 of these solutions, Visor, which can be downloaded from Visor.io, link in the description, is an easy-to-use tool to mirror the displayed content. Screen Copy, link in the description, is a free open-source tool that provides many features like full-resolution viewing and wireless ADB with no additional purchases. Connecting the Alpha1. To perform screen mirroring on Alpha1, you must connect your Alpha1 headset to the computer you would like to run the Visor or Screen Copy application on. Attach one end of the USB cable to the Alpha1 USB-C charging and data port. The other end of the USB cable should be connected to the computer's USB host port. Start screen mirroring. This video will cover screen mirroring in the Visor application. Once Visor is installed, the application can be opened on your computer. The Visor app will display the Alpha1 device under Android devices in the green box. Alpha1 will appear as QAR7GA2 EVT3G ThirdEye. 3 buttons will appear to the right of the device name. The buttons are Share Device, View Wirelessly, and View Device. View Device will open another window with screen mirroring content. To start screen mirroring using Screen Copy, please reference the tool's documentation linked in the description. Controlling the Alpha1 through screen mirroring. Screen mirroring tools mentioned in this video will provide remote control of the Alpha1 headset. This means you will be able to select icons and other clickable menu items using the mouse pointer and enter text using the keyboard. In certain cases, this may be required in order to access some of the Android systems and configurations. Changing the Home app. You may find it necessary to change the Home application when using a screen mirroring tool. To do this, press the forward button, mouse button 5 on your mouse to bring down the notification tray. From here, pull down the Settings widget drawer and select the Settings icon. Open the Apps and Notifications menu. Once in the Apps and Notifications menu, locate and select the default Apps menu. Select the Home app and change the setting from Basic Launcher to Quick Step. Now the device can be more easily configured using a screen mirroring tool. The Home app can be changed back using this method at any time. Recording using screen mirroring. The screen mirror tools mentioned in this video are capable of recording the mirror content. Please reference the tool's documentation listed in the description. Configuring Wi-Fi networks. In order to check for and download OTA updates for the Alpha1 headset, the device will have to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Using screen mirroring software, you can access the Android system settings to configure a Wi-Fi network. First, open the app drawer. Second, locate and open the Settings application. Locate and open the Network and Internet menu option, then select the Wi-Fi menu option. From the network list, choose the network you are trying to connect to, enter the password of the chosen Wi-Fi network, and select Connect. Then, confirm that the network is connected and provides internet connectivity. Lastly, the Wi-Fi settings can be closed. Coming soon, users will be able to record mixed reality experiences using the built-in recording application. OTA Update Overview. System OS updates can be downloaded using the built-in QOTA client. The QOTA client is a system app that will allow for the update of the Alpha1 headset firmware. Note: at the time of writing this video, the configuration of Wi-Fi and the check of OTA updates must be performed using screen mirroring software. The menus are not visible using the Alpha1 displays as they are two-dimensional and not capable of being displayed on the stereo displays at this time. A future OTA update will provide an added interface for these functions. Checking for updates. To check for over-the-air updates on your Alpha1 headset, open the QOTA client app. This app will automatically communicate with the Alpha1 update server. If you desire, you can press the refresh button in order to manually check for updates. First, enter your personal information, then press the Create Account button. After pressing the Create Account button, you will receive a verification code in your registered email address. You can also register for HoloEye by visiting www.holoeye.ai. Enter your personal information and click Sign Up. You will receive a verification code in your registered email address.
Alpha1 comes with a Unity SDK for 6DoF tracking. This guide will cover how to start using Alpha1 SLAM in Unity. By the end, you will be able to build and run your first SLAM application on the ThirdEye Alpha1 headset. Creating Unity project. Development of the Alpha1 headset requires the use of the Unity development environment. You will need the current LTS version of Unity 2020 installed. Once in the Unity Hub, you will need to create a new project. Select New Project. Ensure that Unity 2020 LTS is selected. In this example, we are using Unity 2020.3.46 F1. Next, select 3D Core and give your project name. Here we will use Sample Project. When naming is complete, you can select Create Project. Your new project will be added to the recent project list and may take some time to process. For the next step, you will need to download our Unity package, which can be found in the video description or the video annotation in the top right. Switch platform. By default, Unity will assume that you want to build your application for PC, Mac, or Linux. Since the Alpha1 headset is an Android device, this will need to be changed. You can change this using the menu bar item file build settings. In the platform menu, select Android and press the Switch Platform button. This will take some time to process. Importing the Unity package. Now open your empty Unity project. You will be presented with the default sample scene. You can import using the menu bar Assets Import Package Custom Package. Locate the downloaded Unity and click Open. The package will take some time to load. Once the package is loaded, the Import Unity Package screen will be displayed. Press the All button to ensure all items are loaded, then press Import. The package will be imported into the Unit Assets pane in the SVR folder. Adjusting scene setup. Select and delete the main camera. Then in the Asset pane, navigate to the SVR prefabs directory. Drag and drop the SVR camera prefab into the current scene. This camera will act as a viewport and execute the needed scripts automatically. Bringing human model into scene. You can bring in existing 3D models stored on your computer. Once they are placed in the asset folder, you can simply drag and drop them into the scene. In this case, I placed the model in a random location. I can use the on-screen movement tool or the inspector to bring the model into view. The camera viewport will also be displayed when clicking on the camera in the scene. This can place the model directly in front of the user when the application starts. Any supported Unity file format can be used. Player settings. Unity player settings will need to be adjusted to optimize your application's performance. You can access player settings from the Build Settings menu. Simply click the Player Settings button in the bottom left. In the left pane, select Player. Here we will change the resolution and presentation submenu. Orientation should be set to landscape left. In other settings, we remove the Vulkan Graphics API. This will take some time to process. Next, we need to disable multi-threaded rendering. The scripting backend will need to be set to IL2 CPP. When this occurs, we can disable the ARMv7 checkbox and enable the ARM64 checkbox. Android SDK version. The minimum and target API settings should also be changed to Android 10. Quality settings. The quality setting of your application will need to be adjusted to ensure the best performance. Anisotropic textures should be set to per texture. Anti-aliasing should be disabled. Finally, vsync count should be set to don't sync. Building the application. The application can now be built from the Build Settings menu. You can either press Build to generate an APK file for future installs or Build and Run to build and run the app on a connected Alpha1 headset. To build and run, the Alpha1 must be directly connected via USB to the workstation PC.
Please scan the following QR codes for purchasing and product information.